I got people screaming in the comments, how can I record audio? How can I record my voice? How can I record audio in FL Studio Mobile? Well, today I want to start a brand new series called Quick Tutorial with Zowex. And today's tutorial is about how to record your voice on FL Studio Mobile. Let's go! Okay, so if I sound different, it's because I'm using my iPad now and it didn't quite work on my PC for whatever reason, so I'm gonna show you how to do it, how to record your voice. Just go to this section and tap on audio record, and it's asking you to do this to calibrate. So I'm putting off my headphone. Now I'm back. Hopefully you can see this just for the latency. So you tap on OK, and if you go to this section you can see this, and if you see that little microphone over there, if you tap on it, you can hear yourself. That's called live monitoring or something. Just listen. I can hear myself right now, and now I don't because it's it's annoying. So if you're using a mic, it doesn't always sound that loud. So what I like to do is just tap on leveler and just go like that. It's very simple, and if you want to record, you just tap on record and just play. And now I can record my voice while I'm listening to this stupid metronome or something. Bye! Okay, so now I recorded my voice, and you can see that it's done pretty well. And now I can record my voice while I'm listening to this stupid metronome or something. Bye! So yeah, that's how you record your voice on FL Studio Mobile. And this is how it sounds when the music, my outro music, starts popping up and screens. Please sub to me, text. You know what they say, gray is the new green. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!